So in this tutorial, I'll go over everything you need to know about how to connect multiple boards to a single board. So essentially, I'll go through the entire process, and now let's jump right in this video. And subscribe for more tutorials, for more monday.com tutorials. So here we have a board that I've just created. So I have here a board. It's called upcoming exhibition. I can change this to shareable or change to private. But what we are trying to do here is, let's first click on add a column, and then here we have super useful, and then here we can see connect. So I'm going to click on connect, and then here you connect this board to other boards. Easily view and edit items from any board you choose. Select board, and here I can even connect to a CRM workspace, right? It's not only I can it's not like I can connect to the main workspace. Whatever, I just have like multiple options. You can create a two-way connection if you want to, which means, as you can see, you can have a new column will be added on each of the selected boards. Items connected in one board will get automatically connected on the other board as well. And now let's click on this plus here, and then here we see board. I'm gonna click on board, and then here I can name this board. I'll just name it test board so I can show you I can connect this one as well. Select shareable and create this board. Got it. Now here I can click on this plus, connect, select board, and here we can see the test board, and I can connect to the other one, to this one, and then I can see the connected boards, and I'll do it later. Now here I have the connected boards. I can click on this and drag on the other side, and then I can see here choose budgets. I can grab some. Let's say I go here in this item, and I'm already here in the test board, and now I can click on the other board and I can select some of the items from there. Very fast and easy. Now I can see the items here. I can click on the plus again and add more. I can click on board settings, and I can disconnect this test board. Click on the three dots settings, and you can customize connect the boards from here, or allow linking to multiple items, and add a mirror column, connect more boards. And I like to show you to explain exactly something important here. What does it mean to add a mirror column? And the way I would like to think about a mirror column is by connecting. Let's say we connect two boards, and we have a project tasks board and a client information. You can add a mirror column on the project tasks board to display the client name from the client information board, and now you can easily see which client each project task is associated without switching board, and can save some time. So yeah, that can be helpful to add a mirror. And then here you can have the upcoming this board here, and I can expand, and I can connect, let's say, status or person. Mirror person column type was changed to mirror. As you can see here, mirror column must be of the same type. And now we have here, now I can add more here, so I can grab this one here. I can work inside this, so I can, if I change this to stock, right? So if I come back here, I see this sculpture, it changed to stock as well. So I don't have to go over here if I'm working with two boards, and this can save you time. Now also this icon you see here, that means that you can invite guests. I can click on here and change and move to a folder. I can change the type to private, and if I change to private now, it just changes the icon as well. It's visible only to subscribers. Great. Now filter by board by person. Here we have, and by the way, all of this you can sort, right? Filter. We have the filter here, and we can click on the three dots here and then just change item height to double or to triple. And this can help if you have a small screen. By the way, that can be helpful. You can also sort. Again, very helpful. And here we have the main table, but we can add another one. Maybe this is just a table. Export to more views. Maybe we want something like a form, like a cards. So I can also add a road map tracker. Open this one, let's say. Now we have the cards here for each person. Item 1, we have person, and of course now we can add a new budget if we want to with that person here. Create one, create another one. I can this is the widget settings. I can change the settings here if I want to, and yeah, that can be very helpful working on Monday.com. Also, you might have this question: is your Monday.com subscription plan, is it going to directly impact the number of boards you can connect? And the answer is yes, because like for the basic plan, you can connect only one board. For the standard plan, you can connect. For the standard part, you can this allows you to connect up to 5 boards. The pro plan, this increases the limit to more kind of like comfortable 20 boards. Nice. Now if you the enterprise plan, you have the enterprise plan, you really get a lot of boards, about 60. And now something what I found on this linking limitation for the connect board columns, well, there is apparently like limit per board, item limit per board. So regardless of your plan, there's a limit of 10,000 items per board, except for enterprise plan, which allows 20,000. I'll leave in the description of this video this link. Maybe you want to read more. Maybe there's something I missed. So thanks for watching and subscribe for more tutorials.